Hey guys, this is very interesting question. Can you solve 3 to the power of 0 minus 3 to the power of 0 times 3 to the power of 0 plus 3 to the power of 0? Let's solve this step by step. This is very interesting question. 3 to the power of 0 equals not 0, right? 3 to the power of 0 equals 1, right? So here is 1 minus 3 to the power of 0 times 3 to the power of 0 plus 3 to the power of 0. Now 1 minus 3 to the power of 0 equals 1 times 3 to the power of 0 plus 3 to the power of 0. Now 1 minus 1 times 3 to the power of 0 equals 1 plus 3 to the power of 0, right? Now 1 minus 1 times 1 plus 3 to the power of 0 equals 1. Now multiply must be done before subtraction and addition. We use PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction, right? So multiply first. 1 minus 1 times 1 equals 1 plus 1, right? Now subtraction and addition from left to right. So 1 minus 1 equals 0 plus 1, right? And 0 plus 1 equals 1.